sun is out. The sun is out. The sun is out.
Don't play with it. Don't be the signs. Hey, still.
Sun is out. Sun is out. My head is growing. All too soon. Anyways, I'm just popping in here quickly to say hello to you all, and I will see you soon. I'm on my way to work. I'm going to catch my bus and catch my 2 other trains. See you. Bye, guys. Ciao. Ciao, Bella. Ciao. Ooh, sun is. The sun is sunning.
My baby, you are too fine. You are me past the choco. Beauty in the eyes of the order. I'm under your command, give me order. Baby, I'm in love with you.
Hi guys. Okay, so I am going to collect my food from Nando's. I didn't bring any food out today, and so I ordered something from Nando's, and I am just on my way to go get it. This is the one change, a massive, huge building here in St. Paul's. Okay, let's go. How are you doing? How are you doing today?
You take me far away. Obey me, travailler. Me ole shalaye. Where I am right now, baby. Your body sweet as chocolate. I mean like I'm on Mary J. Go with your long holiday. Love you now and every day.
Ta-da!
Sweet as chocolate. I mean like I'm on Mary J. Go with your long holiday. Love you now and every day. Oh yeah. Beauty in the eyes.
Hey, hold on.
I'm under your command.
Alright, fam, I'ma serve you some views. Okay, let's get that. You wanna come for a swim? A quick swim right here.
Sweet me, I know if it all come. Oh, queen of my heart, till death do us part. We always love you more. Me, I know the bobo. 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 Baby, you drive me crazy. Oh no, you drive me crazy. All along, Marktown boy. You carry my heart along with you. I feel complete when I'm with you. I love the way I'm feeling now.
Hi guys, it's Saturday. I went to town to do some rounds and I was craving watch it again. So unfortunately I couldn't film everything earlier on, but I am done prepping everything. And if you haven't watched any of my videos where I was making watch it, you can watch it, or I'll try and put it somewhere there on the screen. So I'm going to show you what I have made. Life of a mom. I always try to improvise, like so call me the queen. All right, let me show you. Yeah, okay guys, so I made a quick sauce or stew. I got my fish, I got my sausages, I got eggs, I got some eggs here, so those who don't want it in the stew, they can have this. And yeah, and I got my spaghetti and the wache is almost done. I couldn't, yes, so that's what we're gonna be having. Oh, I made a quick one here, salad to top it up. I'm yet to mix my curry, and then we are good to go. I also have my shito here, so yeah. Life of a mom, life of a mom, life of a mom. Everything is set and we'll be diving straight into the watches. So thank you for watching. I will try and add this up to my weekly vlog somewhere inside there. So yeah, don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to drop a comment in the section box, and I will see you soon in another vlog. Yes, this watch will go on. Hey Charlie. Hey. Okay, it's bye for now. I'm going to eat my water and I'll see you soon. Look at my hair. Look, I didn't comb my hair. I didn't brush my hair back. It's Saturday. What else do you expect? Bye, guys. Bye. Hi, my lovely people. Happy weekend. So, we're back from church and I'm so hungry. I'm craving some plantains with vegetable stew. So, yeah, I cut the plantains into this bit and I put it on a boiling water. So I'll be making my vegetable vegetable stew in a bit. Yeah, okay guys, I thought I had enough vegetables, but I've just realized I don't have much. However, I will be improvising. I'll just make use of what I've got available. But the end result will be good, I know for sure, because this is not the first time I'm having to improvise. Yeah,
among thousand girls now you are.
Okay guys, this is what we have so far. I added some bell peppers, carrots, onions, chili peppers and tomatoes. Yeah, it's so hot. But trust me, it smells good and it tastes nice.
I'm in love with you, you know that. Oh, baby. Oh, my licha. I feel blessed when I'm with ya. The way body to the sweet me, I know be talk oh, queen of my heart. Till death do us part. I will always love you more, baby, more cherry.